Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Power off the phone and remove the SIM tray before you begin. Place the phone on a soft, heat-proof surface and preheat a heat gun or oven to about 80 degrees C to soften the adhesive. Heat evenly for 1 minute, moving the tool in small circles. Use a suction cup and plastic pick to create a 3-5 mm opening at the back glass edge. Work slowly around corners with plastic picks and avoid metal tools that can crush internal parts. Keep fingers clear and maintain steady, gentle pressure throughout. After lifting the back glass, unscrew the T5 Torx screws holding the midframe in place. Remove the midframe carefully and set screws in an organized tray to avoid mix-ups. Disconnect the battery before removing the display assembly to avoid shorts and damage. Use an ESD-safe spudger to release delicate ribbon connectors gently and lift the display connectors straight up. Remove the old display assembly and compare it with the replacement to confirm part alignment and camera cutouts. Keep all removed screws and components labeled for correct reassembly later. Clean the frame of old adhesive and apply new 3M adhesive strips around the frame for a secure seal. Position the new 6-7-inch display assembly carefully and reconnect display and battery connectors in the reverse order. Test screen functionality before sealing, power on and check touch, cameras, and sensors. If all tests pass, power off again and press the back glass firmly into place with even pressure. Cure the adhesive by leaving the phone at 40 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes or by applying mild heat. Reinstall screws and the SIM tray to finish the repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.